Hey, what's up, guys? Well, hope you're well. Yes, so today we're gonna be looking at lists using Maple, okay? And I'm gonna use the same data from a previous video using Python, okay? So yeah, I'll put the link of the video in the comments, okay? Cool. So yeah, on the start note, guys, I really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you do like what you see, please do subscribe, and thanks in advance. Right, so let's get started. So animals, right? And then right, square brackets, right? So I've got a lion, right, and Impala, right, and the next one is a zebra, and then a tiger, and then a meerkat. Right, so that's the first list, right? And then indexing, right? So index, right? Right, so I want to show you entry number 2 in the list, right? So in Maple, indexing starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, up and so forth. Whereas in Python, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So I want to call the Impala. So I'll type in the names of animals, then 2. That will call me. That will be Impala. But then in Python there'll be 1. So it starts off as 0, then 1. Okay, right? And then I want to get the meerkat. So animals, right? And then 5, right? So there's a meerkat, right? And then I want to print the whole list. So print animals. There we are, right? And then I want to add an animal, but then also at the same time removing something. So all these animals apart from the tiger are from Africa. So I'm gonna remove tiger, right? So I'll type in animals, right? Then 4, okay, and then let's say equal to a string elephant. Right, there we are. So that's tiger has been replaced with elephant, right? And then if I want to remove an animal, so I want to remove lion, right? Subs, op, right? And then 1 equals to null. Yeah, now obviously nothing, right? And then animals. There we are. So that's got rid of the lion, right? And then I want to add something. I want to add another animal in there. So I want to add a giraffe, right? So animals, right? And so my square bracket. So op, right? Then animals, right? And then my string giraffe. Yes, a double F, yeah. Right. There we are. So we've added the giraffe, right? And then I've got another list of animals. So these are North American animals, right? So I'll call it animals 2, right? And so you got a wolf, and right, a bear, could be a grizzly, right? Right, and bobcat, and then finally a deer. Actually, yeah, deer, that'll do. Yeah, right. There we are. So then I want to create another list with both lists in it. So I'll call it animals 3, right? And I'll just do the same thing as I've done before. So ops, right, animals, right, and then animals 2. So it becomes a nested list, right? Because we still got curly brackets in the other list. Okay, cool. So yeah, so it's just a quick video to show you how to create lists using Maple. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a lovely day. Cheers.